ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। इससे पहले हमने डिस्कस किया था ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। तो आज के लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मॉलिक्यूलरिटी एंड सीडो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है फ्रॉम बोथ कॉम्पिटिटिव एज वेल एज फ्रॉम बोर्ड एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, मॉलिक्यूलरिटी एंड सीडो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। We'll start over here, molecularity and pseudo order reactions. Now let us start the topic straight away over here. Molecularity and pseudo order reactions. First we'll discuss over here molecularity of a reaction. Molecularity of a reaction. हम डिस्कस करेंगे यहाँ पे what do we mean by molecularity of a reaction. We'll see over here what is meant by molecularity of a reaction. थोड़ा सा हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, इसका एक स्टेटमेंट है, the number of molecules or atoms, the number of molecules or atoms that take part in an elementary chemical reaction, the number of molecules or atoms that take part in an elementary reaction. Elementary बोलिए तो single step reaction. It's called the molecularity of the reaction. So molecularity is basically the number of atoms or molecules that take part in an elementary reaction is called the molecularity of the reaction. How many number of atoms or molecules take part in an elementary reaction, that is known as molecularity of a reaction. So how many number of atoms take part in an elementary reaction means जो बात हो रही है यहाँ पे वो कंसेप्ट हो रहा है, molecularity कंसेप्ट जो अप्लाई होता है can be applied only to elementary reactions. Molecularity can be applied only to elementary reactions. Molecularity can be applied only to elementary reactions. Means there is no scope of molecularity for complex reactions. So we can write over here, for complex reactions, molecularity is not defined. Molecularity is not defined for complex reactions. Molecularity is not defined. Basically ये molecularity term जो है ये आई कहाँ से? हमारे पास एक थ्योरी है इसी यूनिट में जो हमें आगे डिस्कस करने है, दैट्स कॉल्ड collision theory. So we have a theory that's called collision theory of reaction rates. That's called collision theory of reaction rates. हमारे पास एक थ्योरी आएगी, that's called collision theory. Now what does collision theory tell us? We'll discuss that, but थोड़ा सा हम उसका आइडिया यहाँ पे लगाएंगे. collision theory कहती है जब भी कोई रिएक्शन होनी है, फॉर एग्जांपल रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस बिटवीन रिएक्टेंट्स A and B. These reactant molecules they have to collide first. Now there can be number of collisions possible between the reactant molecules. There are number of collisions that can take place between the reactant molecules, but all the collisions does not lead to the product formation. There can be number of collisions possible. Number of collisions are possible, but all collisions does not lead to product formation, or all collisions does not lead to product formation. All collisions does not lead to product formation. Only those collisions led to product formation which have proper orientation. Only those collisions led to product formation. Only those collisions led to product formation जिनके पास प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन है, which have proper orientation, and these collisions are called effective collisions. These collisions are called effective collisions. Effective collisions. So basically हमारे पास इस तरह का ग्राफ बनेगा collision theory में. ये हमारे पास reactant molecules हैं, and they will undergo collisions. They will follow the graph like this, and this will be the products. So reactant molecules they have to collide. Collide करने के बाद इनको ये वाली energy barrier जो है ये cross करनी है. In order to cross this energy barrier, it's called activation energy barrier. तो इस energy barrier को cross करने के लिए इनमें collisions होने चाहिए. तो इनमें बहुत सारे collisions possible है, लेकिन उन collisions में only those collisions led to the product of formation which have proper orientation. मतलब collisions like this they have proper orientation. जो proper orientation means अगर हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा reactant molecules हैं, then all molecules cannot take part in the product of formation. That's why we can say that molecularity of the reaction. That's why we can say that molecularity of the reaction cannot be greater than 3. Cannot be greater than 3. Molecularity of the reaction cannot be greater than 3. Because जब हमारे पास ज्यादा molecules होंगे, then the number of effective collisions decreases. Then the number of effective collisions decreases. So यहाँ पे कितने points आ गए हमारे पास? The first point is molecularity is applied only to the elementary reactions. Molecular cannot be defined for complex reactions. Maximum number of molecularity of the reaction cannot be greater than 3. So if the molecularity of the reaction is 1, if molecularity of reaction is 1, molecularity of reaction is 1, it's called unimolecular reaction. The reactions are called unimolecular reaction. Number second, when the molecularity of the reaction is 2, they are called bimolecular reactions. They are called bimolecular reactions. When the molecularity of the reaction is 2, they are called bimolecular reactions. Similarly, when the molecularity of the reaction is 3, they are called termolecular reactions. Termolecular reactions. Then they are called termolecular reactions. So we can have unimolecular, bimolecular, and termolecular reactions, but in case of only elementary reactions. Elementary बोले तो single step reactions. बात हो रही है सिर्फ single step reaction की. From experimental rate law हम इसको determine करेंगे. Now see for example इस पे हम questions देखेंगे. For example हमारे पास कोई reaction है A plus B gives products or gives C. So this is a reaction. यहाँ पे लिखा है it's elementary reaction. It should be mentioned over here that it is elementary reaction because molecularity cannot be defined for complex reaction. So for example, rate of this reaction, the rate of this reaction is equal to K into A raised to power 1 into B raised to power 1. For example, rate of this reaction is K A raised to power 1 and B raised to power 1. For example, इस reaction के लिए rate is equal to K A raised to power 1 and B raised to power 1. तो आपको बताना है इस reaction की molecularity क्या है? Molecularity of this reaction is the number of molecules that take part in a chemical reaction. So how many number of molecules take part in rate law? This is one molecule, this is two molecule, this molecule and this molecule take part. Therefore, a molecularity of the reaction is 2. अगर मैं आपको ऑर्डर की बात बताऊंगा तो मुझे बताओ ऑर्डर यहाँ पे क्या होगा. ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 1 with respect to A, 1 with respect to B, sorry, 1 with respect to B. So overall order of the reaction is 2. This is how you can explain molecularity of the reaction. Let us take one more example. यहाँ पे हम एक और example लेंगे. Let us take one more example. Let us take this type of example. तो यहाँ पे example लेंगे twice NO plus oxygen gives twice NO2. Nitric oxide gives NO2 nitrogen dioxide. Let it is given that this is a single step reaction. This is a single step reaction. It is given that this reaction is single step reaction. तो यहाँ पे if it's a single step reaction, then rate of this reaction will be K into concentration of NO raised to power 2 into concentration of oxygen raised to power 1. Now tell me about molecularity of reaction. Now molecularity of this reaction will be equal to number of molecules. So over here it's an elementary reaction. इसमें दो molecules ये हैं, one molecule ये है, so molecularity will be 3. And order of reaction with respect to NO it is 2. Order of reaction with respect to oxygen it's 1. So the overall order of reaction is also 3. क्या ये बात आपको समझ में आ गई? Have you got this? Have you got this? We can say this reaction is termolecular reaction. This reaction is termolecular reaction. We can clearly say what this molecule is termolecular reaction. Now let us take one more example. एक और example यहाँ पे लेते हैं question या example लेते हैं twice HI gives H2 plus I2 or it is given that the reaction is elementary reaction. It is given that the reaction is elementary reaction. It is given over here the reaction is elementary reaction. And it's also given rate of this reaction for an elementary reaction rate is easy to determine is equal to K into HI raised to power 2. So यहाँ पे आप molecularity बताओ. What is the molecularity? How many molecules are taking part? 2 molecules are taking part in the reaction. Therefore, molecularity of this reaction is equal to 2. What is order? Order with respect to HI is 2. Order of reaction is equal to 2. So let us take one more example over here. Let us take one more example over here. Let us take this type of reaction. NH4NO2, ammonium nitrate. It decomposes to give N2 plus water. It decomposes to give N2 plus water. अगर आपको इस रिएक्शन का प्रोडक्ट नहीं निकालना आएगा तो आप सिंपली यहाँ से क्या करना, जितने भी नाइट्रोजन एटम्स है यहाँ पे उनको बाहर निकालो. एक नाइट्रोजन और एक नाइट्रोजन, दो नाइट्रोजन N2 को बाहर निकालो ना. इसमें जितने भी वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स निकल सकते हैं. तो 4 हाइड्रोजन कितने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाता है? 2 हाइड्रोजन एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बनाता है H2O. 2 हाइड्रोजन एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, 4 हाइड्रोजन 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाए. Now this is given that it's an elementary reaction. Now this is elementary reaction. तो इस elementary reaction में basically हम rate लिखेंगे. Rate will be equal to K into NH4 K into NH4 NO2 raised to power 1 because we have only one reactant species. Therefore molecularity is 1. Molecularity is 1 and order is also 1. तो यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस किया है एक्चुअली मॉलिक्यूलरिटी होती क्या है. मॉलिक्यूलरिटी होती क्या है. लेट अस टेक few more examples over here. Let us take few more examples over here. Now let us take example like this. Let us take example acetaldehyde. This is very important. Acetaldehyde is very important. CH3CHO. Decomposition of acetaldehyde it gives CH4 plus it gives carbon monoxide. And this reaction is complex reaction. This reaction is complex reaction. तो complex reaction में basically अगर हमें kinetics निकालना होता है, order निकालना होता है, we use SSA. SSA आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. जब आप हायर लेवल पे जाओगे you will see what is SSA. इसको कहते हैं steady state approximation. Steady state approximation. तो complex reactions में हम steady state approximation लगाते हैं, लेकिन आपके सिलेबस में SSA नहीं है. तो इन रिएक्शंस को बेसिकली यहाँ पे लिखा गया होगा आपके लिए कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन में रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन इट विल नॉट बी इक्वल टू K into concentration of CH3CHO raised to power 1 because it's a complex reaction. We do not know which is the slowest step of the reaction. So in this case, in case of acetaldehyde, it is equal to K into concentration of acetaldehyde raised to power 3/2. Means order of this reaction is 3/2. ये आपको directly remember करना है. Order of this reaction is 3/2. Order of this reaction is 3 by 2, or you can say 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, it's 1.5. That's why yesterday we have seen that order of reaction can be fractional as well. तो अगर इसकी molecularity की बात करेंगे, now tell me what is the molecularity of this reaction. Now tell me what is the molecularity of this reaction. Molecularity of this reaction is not defined because it's a complex reaction. So molecularity is not defined. Order of reaction is 3 by 2. Once it has been asked in the competitive exam. एक बार इसको competitive exam में पूछा गया है. एक बार इसको competitive exam में पूछा गया है. नेक्स्ट हम चलते हैं, कुछ और एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. लेट अस टेक कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन की एक और एग्जांपल. कॉम्प्लेक्स रिएक्शन की एक और एग्जांपल. NO plus CO, NO2 plus CO gives NO plus carbon dioxide. Now this is written that it's a complex reaction. Now if it's a complex reaction, we have to write its rate. Rate will be given in case of complex reaction. तो complex reaction में rate given होगी. The rate of this reaction is K into NO2 raised to power 2. Rate is given K into NO2 raised to power 2. Means rate depends only on the concentration of NO2, not on the concentration of CO over here. This is experimental rate law. This is experimental rate law. ये बातें आपको याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये वहां पे given होगा ये डाटा. This will be given over there. So we can say that order of this reaction is 2. And if the order is 2, we can say that its molecularity. What will be the molecularity? Now tell me what will be the molecularity. Molecularity of this reaction is not defined. Molecularity of this reaction is not defined. इस reaction की molecularity defined नहीं है. Molecularity of this reaction is not defined. Now let us move to the next concept that's known as pseudo order reaction. Pseudo order reactions बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आता है. दो एग्जांपल्स आपको याद रखने हैं जो आपके टेक्स्ट में है. Pseudo order reactions, two examples are mentioned in the text जो आपको याद रखने हैं. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता है which of the following is a pseudo order reaction. तो pseudo order reaction उसको कहते हैं जिसमें एक्चुअली one of the reactant, in which one of the reactant is in large excess, is in excess. One of the reactant is in excess. For example, हमारे पास एसिटेट है, इथाइल एसिटेट. फॉर एग्जांपल हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ एसिटेट, हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ ईस्टर, C2H5, C डबल बॉन्ड O, सिंगल बॉन्ड O, CH3. ये हमारे पास ईस्टर है. दिस इज द ईस्टर ग्रुप. ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप ईस्टर का होता है. ऑर्गेनिक में देखेंगे इस फंक्शनल ग्रुप को, इट इज फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऑफ ईस्टर. तो अगर हम इसको हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे, if we hydrolyze this ester, अगर हम इसको हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे, हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ ईस्टर, हाइड्रोलाइज दिस ester, what will happen अगर हम इसको हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे. थोड़ा सा मैकेनिज्म यहाँ पे बनाएंगे. what will happen to the hydrolysis of ester. तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास मॉलिक्यूल है, मेरे पास मॉलिक्यूल है C2H5, C डबल बॉन्ड O, सिंगल बॉन्ड O, CH3. So basically I have to break this bond. This bond will break towards oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. Now break this bond, मेरे पास क्या आएगा O minus CH3. This is called a methoxide ion. प्लस मेरे पास क्या आएगा C2H5, C डबल बॉन्ड O प्लस. Now इसको अब वाटर अटैक करेगा यहाँ पे. वाटर मेरे पास है H प्लस OH माइनस. That will attack over here OH minus. यहाँ अटैक करेगा H प्लस को, ये अटैक करेगा. The product will be C2H5, C डबल बॉन्ड OH. मीन्स ईस्टर मेरे एसिड यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट बनेगा. So the product of the reaction is C2H5, COOH plus CH3OH, methanol. This reaction is known as hydrolysis of ester. In this reaction, water is taken in excess, large excess. If any species is taken in large excess, rate does not depend on that. तो यहाँ पे rate इस पे depend नहीं करेगी. This is an elementary reaction. This is elementary reaction. This is elementary reaction, but in this elementary reaction, rate will not depend upon. यहाँ पे rate depend नहीं करेगी. Rate will not depend upon this water because it is taken in excess. Therefore rate law अगर इसकी लिखेंगे, rate is equal to K into concentration of this ester. This is ester molecule, concentration of ester, not that of water. So tell me what will be the order of reaction. So the order of reaction, it seems to be 2 for an elementary reaction, but in this case it is 1. Order of reaction is 1, molecularity is 2. Molecularity is 2 because 2 molecules are involved. So such type of reactions are called pseudo order reactions. Board exam में directly question आता है, what are pseudo order reactions? Pseudo order reactions, such type of reactions are called pseudo order reactions. Have you got this? What are pseudo order reactions? Have you got this? What are pseudo order reactions? Have you got this? What are pseudo order reactions? So molecularity is 2. They are called bimolecular reactions. बायोमॉली, दिस इज वन एग्जांपल जो आपकी टेक्स्ट में मेंशन है, ये आपको याद रखनी है. फॉर हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ ester, rate it depends only on the concentration of ester, therefore its order is 1. But molecularity, since 2 molecules take part in the rate determining step, therefore molecularity of this reaction is 2. There is one more example mentioned over here. ये वाली एग्जांपल 2-3 बार पूछी गई है. ये एग्जांपल 2-3 बार पूछी गई है. The order of this reaction is, the molecularity of this reaction is, ये 2-3 बार पूछी गई. एक बार ये पूछा गया, this reaction follows which type of order? It is pseudo order reaction. pseudo first order reaction भी कहते हैं इसको. pseudo first order reaction, pseudo first order reaction, इसको कहते हैं pseudo first order, means false first order. The reaction seems to be having order 2, but actually it has order 1. तो आप यहाँ पे नोट, एक बात नोट करो. नोट करने की बात क्या है, अगर हमारे पास सीडो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन होगी तो उसकी मॉलिक्यूलरिटी जो होगी, मॉलिक्यूलरिटी, उसको -1 करो, दैट विल बी ऑर्डर. सिंस मॉलिक्यूलरिटी यहाँ पे 2 है, -1 क्या, दैट्स ऑर्डर. 2 - 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, दैट्स ऑर्डर. नाउ रिमेंबर और राइट देयर, राइट समवेयर, फॉर सीडो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, और सीडो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, order is equal to molecularity -1. Molecularity -1. Now this is very important. कहीं ऐसे भी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा. For pseudo first order reaction, order is equal to molecularity +1, order is equal to molecularity -1, order is equal to molecularity, order is equal to molecularity +2. Now one more example इसकी जो है, that is inversion of cane sugar. इसकी one more important example है, that's inversion of cane sugar. Inversion of cane sugar. This is one more important example of pseudo first order reaction. Now what is inversion of cane sugar? What is cane sugar? C12 H22O11. अगर हम इसको वाटर के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे, if we treat it with water, it gives us C6H12O6, 2 molecules of C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. These are, one is alpha and the other is beta form. That's why it's called inversion. तो यहाँ पे inversion होती है configuration की. इसकी rate law अगर हम लिखेंगे, this is elementary reaction. It's written over here. This is elementary reaction. Now इसकी rate law अगर हम लिखेंगे, rate law will be, rate of this reaction will be equal to K into concentration of this sugar, that is C12 H22O11 raised to power 1. Since this water, it is in excess, therefore it will not take part in rate determining step. Overall the order of the reaction, जो यहाँ पे order of reaction होगा, the order of the reaction over here will be, order of reaction will be 1 and molecularity will be 2. Molecularity of reaction will be 2 over here. Have you got this? क्या किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन अब तक? सर फिर ये ग्रुप में से क्या किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है अब तक? Anybody is having any question? हमने यहाँ पे टॉपिक को खत्म किया. We'll see little bit questions on this. Very good. Now tell me over here, Now there are certain questions. Tell me over here what will be the order and molecularity of the reaction. For a reaction A plus 2B gives C. Now rate of this reaction. This is an elementary reaction. Now tell me order and molecularity. Tell me order and molecularity of this reaction. Tell me the order and molecularity of this reaction. After learning the concept, tell me order and molecularity of this reaction. Jaldi. This is an elementary reaction. Shafia order is 3, molecularity is 3. Very good. Very good. तो यहाँ पे नीलोफर फारूक 3, तहमीना 1. अरे यार कहाँ से 1 आप लेट आई क्लास में. Where from you get the 1? Order is 3. तहमीना एक बार फिर इसको देखना बाद में. इस लेक्चर को फिर से देखना. नीलोफर फारूक 3. वेरी गुड. और सकीना नजीर 3. वेरी गुड. साजिया से शाफिया है. Very good. One Yasmina 3. Order is 3. Molecularity is 3. Very good. तो यहाँ पे basically इसका rate ला पहले हमें लिखना है. We'll write over here rate is equal to K into concentration of A raised to power 1 into concentration of B raised to power 2. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे rate is equal to K into concentration of 1. Therefore order is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3, and molecularity of the reaction is equal to the number of molecules 2 and 1, that is 3. अच्छा मुझे ये वाला क्वेश्चन करके दे दो. 3A plus 2B gives C. What will be the molecularity of the reaction? What will be the molecularity of the reaction? Let this is elementary reaction. What will be the molecularity of the reaction? Now tell me first, what will be the molecularity of the reaction? What will be the molecularity of this reaction? 4. Oh, 5. अरे यार. Very good, Shafia. Very nice. Molecularity cannot exceed 3. Molecularity cannot exceed 3. You cannot define molecularity over here. No, you can't define. Cannot be defined. पहले ही मैंने collision theory को इतना बताया था, तो क्या करते हो आप यार? Molecularity cannot be defined. Molecularity cannot be greater than 3. Molecularity cannot be greater than 3 because number of effective collision is decreased. Molecularity cannot be greater than 3. यार क्या कहते हो? एक तो छोटा सा क्वेश्चन बनाया था यहाँ पे कंसेप्ट चेक करने के लिए. सिर्फ कंसेप्ट चेक करना था मुझे, कंसेप्ट चेक करने के लिए. अच्छा इस ये वाला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. H2 plus Br2 gives twice HBr. और इसमें दिया हुआ है रेट इज इक्वल टू K into H2 into Br raised to power 1 by 2. Now tell me the molecularity and order of reaction. Now tell me the molecularity and order of reaction. पहले मुझे molecularity बोलो, उसके बाद order. पहले मुझे molecularity बोलो, molecularity, उसके बाद order बोलो. बहुत ही important क्वेश्चन है, एग्जाम में आएगा. So order over here will be with respect to hydrogen it is 1, and with respect to bromine it is half. So that is 2, 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. And molecularity over here will be 1 molecule and 1 molecule. So molecularity is 2, order is 3 by 2 or 1.5. Or you can say 1 is to 1 by 2. In options it is 1 is to 1 by 2. That's also 3 by 2. That's also 3 by 2. That's also 3 by 2. Now tell me over here, hydrolysis of, I'll write the question over here. Hydrolysis of organic halides. Hydrolysis of organic halide takes place as we have an organic halide that it is RCl. मीन्स हेलो अल्केन है हमारे पास, इसको ऑर्गेनिक हैलाइड कहते हैं। ऑर्गेनिक हैलाइड है हमारे पास, उसको हम वाटर के साथ ट्रीट करते हैं, वाटर के साथ ट्रीट करते हैं तो यहाँ से हमें प्रोडक्ट कौन मिलेगा, अल्कोहल मिलेगा, ROH प्लस यहाँ पे HCl मिलेगा। तो द मैकेनिज्म इज टू सिंपल, वो आपको आएगा दिस इज RCl, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पास CH3Cl था, ये बॉन्ड यहाँ ब्रेक हुआ, आई गॉट CH3 प्लस प्लस आई गॉट Cl माइनस, तो वाटर मेरे पास H प्लस और OH माइनस है, OH minus will combine with this, we get ROH, and H plus will combine with this, we get HCl. So tell me what is the order of this reaction? What type of reaction is this? First order, second order, third order, pseudo unimolecular, pseudo first order. तो मुझे पता कौन सी reaction है? Now tell me what type of reaction is this? Molecularity 2 and order 1. Very good. Molecularity 2 and order 1. Very good. Very good. Molecularity 2 and order 1. तो यहाँ पे इसका रेट ला लिखेंगे, रेट विल बी इक्वल टू K into concentration of RCl into concentration of what? See over here the order will be with respect to this, it will be 1 and this is taken in excess. तो मैंने कहा था जो भी एक्सेस में होगा उस with respect to that हमें रेट डिफाइन नहीं होगी, तो this will be 0. तो यहाँ पे ऑर्डर होगा 1, so the order will be 1. Molecularity will be equal to number of molecules, that's 1 plus 1, that is 2. So molecularity is 2, order is 1. Molecularity is 2, order is 1 over here. Molecularity is 2, order is 1 over here. तो एक और क्वेश्चन मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा, आप इस क्वेश्चन को खुद से ट्राई करना। Which of the following is, this is homework, which of the following is, which of the following is unimolecular reaction? Which of the following is unimolecular reaction? Option number 1, Hi gives 1/2 of H2 plus 1/2 of I2. Option number 2, N2O5 बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, gives, अगर ये आपको आएगा भी नहीं हमें अलग से डिस्कस करना है, N2O5 gives N2O4 plus half of oxygen. Number 3, H2 plus Cl2 gives twice HCl. हमें बताना है यूनिमॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शन कौन सी है। नंबर 4, PCl3 plus Cl2 gives PCl5. तो मुझे पता है यूनिमॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शन कौन सी है। Now which of these is unimolecular reaction? Very good. Very good. Which of these is unimolecular reaction? एक्चुअली इस रिएक्शन को आप क्या करोगे, इस रिएक्शन को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, दिस विल बी, इस रिएक्शन को आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, दिस विल बी ट्वाइस HI गिव्स H2 प्लस I2. हमारे पास एक ही रिएक्शन रह गई, दैट इज दिस रिएक्शन जिसमें मॉलिक्यूलरिटी 1 है, जिसमें मॉलिक्यूलरिटी 1 है। सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो दिस इज द आंसर। क्या आपको ये बात समझ में आ गई? दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पे क्या मैं टॉपिक को स्टॉप करूं? ऑप्शन 2, वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस। और 1 कहाँ आएगा यार? क्या मैं स्टॉप करूं यहाँ पे लेक्चर को? ना, टेल मी। आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप ओवर हियर बिकॉज हमने मॉलिक्यूलरिटी को खत्म किया। हम इसके बाद डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ टू डिटरमाइन, पहले हम डिस्कस